Engine start.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove the daylight bulb RENAULT TRAFIC ban. So some people is struggling to remove this one, but I will show you how to remove it. Easy. So I already removed the bracket, this plastic. Okay, this is the plastic. Okay, I use the tools to remove, and then I already removed also the cover. So only you need to do is use a flat screwdriver, but make sure the right position of your flat screw to remove it. See, as you can see here, this side, this one, just pull it like that, but make sure to very be careful. Okay, you can use your hand to remove it. Okay, and only this one to tight into the corner, up and down. So you now remove the bulb. Already busted. So if I start the car, it doesn't turn on. Okay, we are installing the new 5 watts and to 12 volts. So plug in. Okay, and push, and then cover. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then the bracket. Bolt. Here. Okay. Now the lights is on. Okay. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you.